Hi there, this is Victoria from CrushCrypto.com. In this video, I will be covering a blockchain project called FIC Network. As always, we are not paid or mandated to do any of our reviews. This is just a personal opinion and analysis for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Please always do your own research before making any investment decisions. FIC Network is a decentralized fixed-income securities network that enables the listing, exchange, and securitization of various fixed-income financial instruments, including corporate bonds, syndicated loans, asset-backed securities, and others. By implementing blockchain, they expect to offer benefits to current investors over traditional fixed-income securities. Transactions made on FIC Network will be immutable, and users will enjoy lower costs from the removal of intermediaries in the market. Users will also benefit from the speed of transaction settlement, as exchanges can be done in seconds as opposed to days or even weeks. A new feature that FIC Network hopes to bring to the fixed-income securities market is the introduction of expected cash flows as tradable repayment options. ECFs allow investors to slice the cash flows of the loans in any way they want to. They can select specific repayments across several loans to diversify their risk or fine-tune their cash flow requirements to specific payout periods. This diagram shows how FIC Network essentially functions. As shown in the diagram, lenders would first need to originate a loan before it can be listed on FIC Network. Investors will then need to invest fiat or crypto into the loans that are listed on the exchange. The ECFs are initially tokenized on FIC Network, but their plan is to be able to trade ECFs on other platforms sometime in the future. In the third quarter of 2017, both the testnet and alpha version of the platform was launched. At the moment, there are already a few institutions testing the platform. A screenshot of the demo is shown here on the slide. The demo can be downloaded directly from their website. Factory, the company behind FIC Network, was founded back in 2016. They started building out the core team in the first quarter of 2017. It is headquartered in New York City and they have an office in Latvia. The team has received funding from 3 institutional investors already, including Boost VC, Startup Bootcamp FinTech NYC, and Biala Venture Partners. This slide summarizes the project's history and development roadmap. By 2020, they aim to have listing and trading of corporate bonds as well as other financial instruments. FIC Network will be raising funds by issuing eFIC tokens. The hard cap is $16 million and the conversion rate is 10 cents per token. The fully diluted market cap is $32 million on the ICO date. The pre-sale is live right now, while the main token sale will start on April 16th. If you're interested in participating in this ICO, you will need to be first registered on their whitelist. This chart shows how the total supply of eFIC tokens will be distributed. For the most up-to-date information on their ICO, please visit their official website and join their Telegram group. So what's the use case for these tokens? eFIC tokens are used in order to publish financial instruments as well as to bid for eFICs on the network. For certain actions, staking tokens are required, while for other actions, the tokens will be spent and gone forever. eFIC has a fixed supply, so as the usage of the network grows, demand for the token should increase. As more users and lenders exchange financial instruments on the network, the price of eFIC tokens should appreciate accordingly. The core FIC Network team consists of 9 members at the moment. The bios of the key team members are shown on the slide. Their advisors include the co-founder and CEO of Cream Finance, the co-founder and CEO of BToken, the chairman of Blockchain Lab, the co-founder and CTO of Stellar, and others. So what are the opportunities? First of all, the global credit market is both large and lucrative. It is not talked about as much as the equity market, but is actually bigger in terms of both size and daily trading volume. We believe the tokenization of credit instruments is just as viable as equity securities. FIC Network already has a first mover advantage in this large market. And they already have attracted 3 institutional investors, which means that the project has passed the scrutiny of these professional investors. The company is also showing good business traction with multiple institutions already testing out their alpha. In addition, the team and advisors are solid with a balanced mix of entrepreneurs, finance executives, and developers. Our main concern is that because bonds are securities, transactions around the underlying cash flows are also subject to regulations. These regulations are likely to differ country to country, and they would need to comply with each country that it operates in. This could make expanding the platform and driving more users and bond listings slower or more difficult than expected. Overall, from an investment perspective, we have a positive view on this ICO for flipping. The idea, team, and advisors, as well as the token metrics and development progress, are all above average. We believe the hard cap of just $16 million is quite compelling for this idea. The bonus is up to 60%, which may seem high at first glance, but it is only for less than 20% of the hard cap, and the public presale has a 30% bonus, which effectively nets out the private presale bonus to just 23%. For long-term holding, we also have a positive view. Security tokens are believed to be one of the next big things coming to the crypto market. They could potentially catapult the overall crypto market size exponentially, as basically every asset could be tokenized. However, the market is still mostly paying attention to just the equity side. Very little, if any, attention is paid to the credit side, even though the credit market is actually larger than the equity market. FIC Network has been in the works since 2016, so it already has a first mover advantage with less competition as they are focused on fixed income securities. We believe their potential is tremendous and fits well with the overall trend of where the crypto market is going. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Twitter and Facebook to get our latest updates. We publish new content on various projects and cryptocurrencies on a regular basis. Hope you have a great day and keep crushing it.